Cross rolls, yeah. Hold on. The fuck was that? What was that?
Oh my god, wait. I'm actually so nervous. No, is that a fan? Oh my god.
Then it's the eagle flying through the sky and fighting the lion.
Ew, dude.
What happened?
Just fart in the chat. Are you ready? Just release the top.
My stomach is fucked today, bro. Bro, my stomach's been acting the fuck up. What was that?
Did y'all hear that?
1 second. Wait.